Hey Megan and Ryan, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Megan. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Roofing Atlanta Inc. Because if you type in Roofing Atlanta, they show up right at the top. I'm going to show you how to copy them and then beat them. Now you're probably asking why I'm even making this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people take this information and just do it themselves, which is awesome. But some people say, Devin, I like you. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. I wanted to say though, great job on your website. It's a very clean looking website, very simple, not a lot of not too much in your face, not too cluttered. You have a very, very unique logo. I love that you guys offer financing. Most contractors don't. I used to sell with Green Sky Foundation, Enterbank. I know all of them. So totally, that's awesome. That's great for converting customers once they land on your site. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all of this content that you can read and highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. So if I copy your content, I paste it in this word counter, you can see you have 581. If we go check out Roofing Atlanta, I don't think they have very much themselves. They have, 718. So this is great news. Even though they are beating you, by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. You're going to show Google you're an authority, and you're going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords, which are just phrases people commonly type into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a couple for you right here that you can use. Roofing Atlanta, for example, 450 people search that every month. Atlanta roofers, 500 people search that every month. Roof repair Atlanta, 600 people search that every month. So you want to imagine if you were number 1 in front of those 3 keywords, you'd be number 1 in front of 1,500 people every month who want to purchase roofing in Atlanta. So you want to make sure that you have those keywords inside of your content. If I search your content, you can see that you have that 0 times. Atlanta roof repair, 0 times. Roofing company, 0 times. So you get the point. You also could save your images as keywords too. So for example, if I go to this right here, instead of like the logo and the numbers and stuff, you can just save this as roofers Atlanta, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. And you can do that for all your images on roof inspections Atlanta, residential roofing Atlanta, stuff like that. All right, so that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you guys is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, not all backlinks are created equal. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites linking to you. So you're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this data for free. It says you have 8 websites linking to you, while Roofing Atlanta has 40 websites linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them, because if these 40 websites are good enough to rank Roofing Atlanta, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link in each website back to my own homepage. And a lot of times it's simple, like Yellow Pages, you hit sign up, Super Pages, you hit join, you create a free profile, you put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple, you've got a backlink. So it's easy to do, it just takes some time, but if you copy their backlinks and you beat their content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. My last tip is to show up at number 1 in the map section. If you want to be number 1 here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie, Yelp, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So I'd figure out what directories Colony Roofers was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. If Colony Roofers was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that's all I have for you, Megan and Ryan. I hope you all found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and you want to use these keywords inside of your content. Feel free to pause this video so you don't have to go and pay for any software. You can just use these keywords from my video. After that, take the websites that are linking to Roofing Atlanta, get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Colony Roofers. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what most of your competitors are doing. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Megan. Great to meet you, Ryan. I hope this video was helpful for y'all and I hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll see you later.